Alright, I'm going to be replacing the stock ST shifter with the, I guess it's a stock RS shifter. It's a lot shorter and it's made a little different. So this is going to be a little different than what you've seen. I'm not removing the whole console or anything like that. So yeah, you can remove the shifter, the spring, and on the boot you just pull up, pop it out, get that out the way. Next thing I did is right here where the passenger airbag. This, if you slide your panel removal tool underneath here and pull up on it, it'll actually pop out. And there's a wire you'll have to disconnect. Then you can remove this trim. Once you get it to this corner, it's going to be really hard. So pull back on it and it'll actually pop out. So you get that out the way. Once you get to that point, you'll have a Torx T25 here, and right there you have to remove. Once that's out the way, there will be a 10mm bolt right there that you have to remove. Once you get all that out of the way, you'll have to tug on it just a little bit, because it's got clips on it here and here. And once you get the clips loose, this whole assembly can come out. So what I did is I just moved it out the way, because I didn't want to disconnect anything that I didn't have to. That goes to the passenger airbag thing right here. So now with this out the way, you have access to the whole shifter. You can get to everything you need to here. So I'm going to just replace the top. I'm not going to replace the base. I'm just going to replace this section here. I was told the base is identical, so there's no need to replace that. Just replacing the base, the top of it, the actual shifting part. So you have to pop these out and just force them that way. And then down here, there's a spring that you push back and lift up to disconnect the cable. There's other videos showing how to do that. It's easy. So that's it. Alright, next step, just loosen all 4 of these bolts. Those. That one. And that one. Now, you need to loosen it because this cable, it came off easy. You can actually pinch that spring back to remove it from the shifter itself. But this cable here, you really can't get to it because something gets in the way. I think this piece right here gets in the way. So once it's loose, you can move it to the side. And that'll make it easier to remove. So you'll have to take it off from there just to get this cable out. Yeah. Let's see if it comes out of there. It's nasty. There it is. And I didn't have to take the console out. I mean, if you want to replace the whole base, you can still get to the base. And you could, take those screws out, pull the base out, and do it that way. I didn't feel like, there was a need to remove the whole console just to get to this part. It's a lot of work. So anyways, let's see what the difference is between these two. That one and this one. I know that the shaft's a lot shorter. So Well, here are the shifters side by side. This is a standard ST shifter, and this is a standard RS shifter. You see the difference right there, right? So that's the RS, and that's the ST. Not much of a difference, but I guess it'll be alright once it gets in there. I know there's a difference there too, I just can't figure it out. There it is, it's installed. Installed. Just 1 inch shorter. Enough for me, I guess. It ain't cost much. I only paid $100 for the assembly. I'm gonna keep the blue, I think. My car's blue anyway, so I think that'll be fine. So anyways, maybe that'll help somebody replace the shifter, and they won't have to take the whole console out. It's just a waste of time. It took about an hour just to do it this way, probably less. So good luck.